So good morning to everyone. My name is Tõnis Laur, and I am technology manager in AlphaGIS. And as Niels already started with the years, then I have been in AlphaGIS more than 15 years. And my presentation is about the licensing part and how to get started. And the easiest way is to do that with ArcGIS Developer account. As Niels described, then ArcGIS platform has a lot of different software, a lot of different platforms. And I see here many existing users. Then you already have licenses. You have license like ArcGIS Pro or ArcGIS Enterprise or ArcGIS Online. And you can combine your existing licenses with your development. So you can develop on this software you already have license for. But if you are a new developer in ArcGIS system and you don't have any existing licenses, then the easiest way is to start with ArcGIS Developer account. And there are different subscription and plans, and you can start with free plan. As you can see on the picture, this free account gives you access to Esri base map services, geocoding services, routing services, and you can upload your own data to Esri Cloud and use all these mapping APIs for development. I will shortly show the developer environment website. Okay, it's developers.arcgis.com. Okay, remove the table. Okay, and here you can see all the documentation about the different APIs and SDKs. Also, you can see the same pricing information, how much is included in free subscription plan, or you can see all the different options for additional capabilities I will talk about a little bit later. You can create your developer account here. You can create it from scratch, or you can use your social media accounts. If you already have ArcGIS online account from your organization, then you can combine it with your existing account. But let's log in. When you log in, you will see the dashboard. You can see your subscription. This is this free essential subscription. You can see how much you already are using the services or your storage. Here you can generate different keys for your APIs if you start developing. You can upload your data here, which will be created services on ArcGIS Cloud. And also you can download different SDKs from here, let's say, or even app builders. Currently, the most used app builder is, I think, ArcGIS Experience Builder. You can download the developer edition from here and start developing your maps and solutions. And for the developer, I think this environment is the main environment to start approaching ArcGIS system, different solutions, and it's very easy to start. So you can use your free account, and the one option, as Niels also mentioned, is this platform as a service option, and then you can just like pay as you go, as you pay only for these services and storage you use. If you need additional capabilities, if you want to extend ArcGIS Pro desktop solution, then you can upgrade your plan to builder plan. If you want to use ArcGIS Enterprise local server system and develop your extensions there, then you can upgrade to professional subscription. If you want, there is also for this desktop part, you have different licensing from basic to advanced. So it's the same on this development side, that if you need additional ArcGIS Pro capabilities and enterprise system capabilities, you can upgrade your developer subscription. Of course, if you have already existing enterprise license, you can develop on this license. You don't need an additional subscription. But if you have, for example, only ArcGIS Pro license and you want to test ArcGIS Enterprise capabilities and develop, then you can start with developer subscription before you actually purchase the commercial license for ArcGIS Enterprise. Some words also about when you have finished with your solution and you want to deploy it and what licenses are then required. Again, the first license as a platform as a service, you just pay with consumption-based logic, how much Esri services you're using, how much your own data you are uploading. If you're extending ArcGIS Online, then you are using software from there. Then it's ArcGIS Online subscription-based solution. If you use different runtime SDKs, then for these clients, you need this runtime license. And I don't want to go any really detail here. What are the different licenses? So it's basically also capabilities logic that if you need more advanced capabilities on runtime SDK, then you need more advanced runtime license. But as you can see here, if you're using this JavaScript API, there is no license for that. You can do unlimited deployments, and you just, it's depend on how much services and data, or if you're using own data, there is no fee for that. And the other is when you are using ArcGIS Enterprise or ArcGIS Pro, then you need commercial license for this software. And sometimes, of course, if you are a developing company, then most likely the customer who you are developing already has this commercial licensing, then this licensing is done on the customer side. So thank you, and this is just a short overview about developer account and also a little bit behind the licensing scene.